So hi everyone, I'm Tamás. Actually, I'm working on the ingestion side, and I will just give you a quick update about what you can expect, what changes you can expect in the Redshift source. So if you are using the Redshift source, or if you are not, you might know that if you want to ingest metadata or lineage, you can use the Redshift source, which looks like on the screen. A simple ingestion recipe, and then you can basically ingest that. But if you want to basically extract the queries and the top queries and usage, you need a separate recipe, which is called like the Redshift source. And I guess if you are seeing the first time now, you might ask why we have two recipe or like two different source for this. If you are using, I guess you asked this question a couple of times. And actually, I think it's a fair question, and a couple of other people as well asked this question. So basically, we are going to unify, and in the future, we will have like one source which can extract as well the usage as well. We did this change for BigQuery and Snowflake already, and now Redshift is the next to have this. But you can expect this change pretty soon, and not just this change, but there will be a couple of new features or changes, and improvements with the Redshift source. I'll just give you a few examples. Like we are going to show this key and sort key, which previously we didn't show on the UI. Now we are extracting that, and you will see on the next to those columns. We also get table level profiling information from the table stats, which means it will be free. We don't have to run any additional queries to get these information, like table counts and when the table was last time updated. We're getting these information from the information schema of Redshift. We are finally supporting properly the Spectrum, Redshift Spectrum types. I guess if you use Spectrum, you saw that a couple of times we have like null types, or there was failing types. Now it should be fixed, and also we are improving like the complex type, like structs and arrays, so it will be supported as well nicely, as you can see on the screen. And then last but not least, basically we are as well improving our copy lineage support. So if you're using the copy lineage in Redshift, you might see that if you had like a tons of files in a folder on S3, then basically for each file we added as one S3 entity on DataHub. So it's in the future, you can provide a passback, what you can use with the S3 source as well, or we can as well just get the folder name, and as you can see in the screen, and only storing that and not each file individually. So you don't have to be afraid about like having tons of files on Redshift or on DataHub. And there are a couple of other small changes what you can expect, and hopefully these will land soon. So it's on PR. Yeah, so you can expect to have this in the near future.